Hey guys, it's Amanda Pryor here. If your family likes pasta dishes like mine does, this is an easy, cheesy, delicious pasta dish. Let me show you how to make it. Y'all, this looks so good. This is a super simple recipe. Brown 1 pound of hamburger meat, season to taste, drain, add 2 cans of your favorite spaghetti sauce, season again with oregano, salt and pepper, and any seasonings that you'd like. Now we have our spaghetti sauce simmering. We've got our bow tie pasta boiling in salt water. Now I'm going to take an egg, beat it. To that, I'm going to add ½ cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and 2 heaping cups of ricotta cheese. Don't be shy with this. This is what makes the pasta dish creamy and delicious and cheesy. Go ahead and get that in there, give it a big stir, mix it together. Now we're going to check to see if our pasta is done. We want it to be al dente, and we're going to drain it. Now we're going to coat the bow tie pasta with about 2 spoonfuls of the spaghetti mixture. Give that a good stir. We want every piece of pasta to get coated with the spaghetti sauce. I'm going to take half of the pasta and put it into the bottom of a greased 9x13 pan. Next, we'll add the cheese mixture that we made earlier. Take your spatula and just plop it on there. Ooh, this is fun! Now, we're going to take the remaining pasta and make our second layer. Add another layer of the ricotta cheese mixture and top it with the remaining spaghetti sauce. For our final layer, we're going to add cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. If you're wondering if you should add more cheese, you should always add more cheese. Now it's time to bake. We're going to cover with tin foil, place it in a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes. Then remove the tin foil, bake for an additional 10 minutes to brown the top of the cheese. Listen to that sizzle. Doesn't this look amazing? This can easily feed a family of 6. I have a feeling my boys are going to tear this up. Y'all, this smells amazing. Just look at that cheese. This goes really well with garlic bread, and you can even add a salad. The table's all set. Let's see what Logan thinks of it.
Isn't this cheesy?